My key message is that we're entering a fundamentally different resource era. The past century was one that was based on access to cheap and plentiful natural resources. Increasingly what we're seeing that resource prices are higher, they're more volatile, and they're increasingly interlinked. Going forward, there'll be further pressures on resource markets, particularly from 3 billion new middle-class consumers that are likely to emerge over the next 20 years. And this will put huge pressures on resources and have a number of impacts across businesses, but also in society. The good news is that we have the potential to create a resource revolution, so improve the productivity with which we produce, convert, and use our natural resources. The question is, can we move quick enough to really make this happen? I think the challenge for the agribusiness sector is how do they create this step change in resource productivity that we need? Now, many companies are doing very innovative things, but the challenge is how do they scale that up? And scaling that up is a much more difficult challenge, and it's going to involve much more active work with their supply chain, particularly at the farm level, but also collaborating with governments because some of these changes require active policy changes in addition to the private sector investment to make them happen.